So we are from group 7 and the project title is Emergency Fire Alarm System. So first we need to search for the website ide.mbed.com because we are using an online compiler. Okay, so for the coding, first of all we need to include the embed.h. This is as a header. So with the exiting of this header, all the embed library component will be available after this. So the next one is analog in LM35 bracket A5. So for your information, LM35 is a temperature sensor and it is as an analog sensor for this project, and then we are going to connect it with the pin A5. So the next one is digital out, LED red, LED orange, and LED green. So this is the LED, and then it is output. So we are going to connect it with the different pin as well, which is D8, D9, and D10. So the next one is digital in flame D6. So we are going to use the flame sensor in this project. So it is a digital sensor for this coding. Okay, so we are going to connect it with the pin D6. So next one is PWM out buzzer. So it is means that we create a PMR buzzer connect to pin A0. Okay, so for your information, PWM is represented by pulse width modulation. It is representing a neat and remarkable simple way of getting a rectangular digital waveform to control an analog variable using usually it is a voltage or a current. Okay, so the next one is serial PC bracket USB TX USB RX. So this is for us to communicate with the host PC through a USB virtual serial port. So with this, all the output can be displayed through a real-time software by using the monitor. Okay. And the next one is double voltage and temperature. So this is the basic coding that we're going to use. Okay, and then the next one is integer main and while. So we are going to use two mathematical formula in this coding. The first one is voltage is equal to LM35.V bracket times with 3.3. So this is the formula for the voltage. And then the next one is temperature is equal to voltage times with 100. So this is the second formula for the temperature. Okay, the next one is the display. So for the display, it will show that temperature is equal to how many degree Celsius. Okay, then it will be shown through the real term by using the monitor. Okay, and then if the temperature is greater than 40, the buzzer and the red LED will be on. Okay, else if there is the temperature is below than 40, the buzzer and the red LED light will be off. The next one is flame equal to 1. If flame sensor do not detect fire, so only the green LED is on. So the buzzer is not on at here. But if the flame sensor detected fire, the orange LED and the buzzer will be on. So for this time, the LED, the green LED will be off. Okay. Then the display will show that fire detector and then with the temperature to through the real-time system. So that's all for the software simulation for our coding. So next one, you just click the compile and it will be run and it will be success. So that's all from me. Thank you.
So after we write all the coding, we need to compile and wait until at the description here is success. So after it's success, it gives out the bin file, which bin file is the most important file for this software simulation through coding. So we just click save. Then after we save the bin file, we connect our microcontroller with laptop. So it shows the pop-up of our microcontroller in our laptop. Next, we just drag the bin file and drop it into our microcontroller. So how to know it works? We just click the real-time software, which is this real-time software. It read the analog sensor that we use, which is we use LM35 sensor that read the temperature. Okay, so here it display the temperature, which is the room temperature. This is the prototype, which it is an emergency fire alarm system that can be applied in apartment or condominium. So assume that this box is representing one of a unit for the apartment. LED is function as an indicator that connect and place in the security room, while buzzer, LM35 sensor, and flame sensor are installed at every unit in the apartment to give output when there is fire detected. The person in charge of the security room will need to check on the display, which it is a monitor to show the temperature and warning if fire occur in each unit. Then let's say if fire is occur at one of the house. So orange LED will be blinking, the buzzer is ringing, and the monitor will display fire detected. Now, the temperature will be increased. So if LM35 detect temperature above than 40 degrees Celsius, the red LED will be on and buzzer also on. So let's say if fire has been extinguished, the green LED will be on because no fire detect, but the red LED and buzzer still on because the LM35 sensor detect temperature above than 40 degrees Celsius. But you can hear that the sound of the buzzer is different when no fire and when the fire is detected. Again, when the fire has been extinguished, then if fire detected. So that's all from me. Thank you.